I caught a wee glimpse of your tank today, that little fish, or big fish tank, not little.
Going upstairs?
No, it's just in your office.
Oh, in my office.
When we were leaving, I saw the corner of it. Where the hell's this torch? It must still be coming, because look, all the people are still waiting.
There he comes.
Oh,
There he
the
comes.
free runners. Okay.
Oh, that's the torch. Here he comes.
Here he comes. Is that him?
I'm sure that's him.
That's him.
Hey, Tony!
Hey, Tony!
Don't fall!
Oh, I don't know if I got him.